This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do a switch leap. This dynamic move involves jumping and switching your lead leg in midair, landing on the opposite foot. To start, find a clear space and stand comfortably with your feet about shoulder width apart. Gently shift your weight to one foot, which will be your takeoff leg. Remember to keep your core tight and your gaze steady to maintain good balance throughout the movement. Now for the exciting part, the jump and switch. Push off powerfully from your takeoff leg, propelling yourself upwards. As you ascend, bring your knee towards your chest. At the highest point of your jump, swiftly switch your legs, bringing the opposite leg forward. Aim for a smooth, controlled exchange, ensuring your new lead leg is prepared to meet the ground. A safe landing is crucial for any leap. As you descend, aim to land softly on the ball of your new lead foot, then gently roll back onto your heel. Immediately bend your knees to absorb the impact, which helps protect your joints and maintain stability. Keep your chest up and use your arms to help you balance, ensuring a controlled and steady finish to your switch leap. To master the switch leap, consistent practice is key. Begin by practicing the leg switch motion without jumping, just on the ground, to build muscle memory. Then, start with small, controlled jumps, gradually increasing your height and speed as you gain confidence. Focus on making each transition smooth and maintaining consistent form. With dedication, you'll be performing switch leaps with ease in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.